your portfolio projects don't belong in a grid. Stack them in a clean professional list where each title brings its cover image into the spotlight, one project at a time. And not just that, click a title and let your visitor dive into the full case study behind that project. And even in the sections that are already doing a lot, this layout still finds its place effortlessly. And that transition effect before the case study opens, it's pure magic. Or maybe you want to keep it even simpler. Just clean, centered titles and the cover images that reveal themselves only on hover. So bold, balanced, or minimal. Whatever your style, you can build it all on your Elementor website with XPRO Elementor's list portfolio widget. And of course, with zero coding and zero stress. Now, I will pick one of these designs here and show you how to build it from scratch using XPRO Elementor list portfolio widget. So I made this whole section super quickly using the versatile widgets from XPRO Addon, but for now, we are gonna keep our focus on this list portfolio design. So to start from scratch, I'm deleting this, the container or section, I'm deleting it here, okay? But before you drop in the widget here, make sure you have already set your containers layout with your design margins and paddings. Now head to the Elementor panel and type in list portfolio. The one from XPRO Addon, drag it in, and we are live. Now look at this. Instead of cluttered boxes or endless grids, we've got a single structured column. One side will be having your project titles, the other side will be having the bold visual. Clean, minimal, but focused. Now let's set it up. So these items here are going to be your projects. Right now I'm just working with one of them, so I don't need the rest, and I will delete the extra one for now. Now click on the first item. This is where you will set up the first project in your portfolio. Give it a title, let's say Emily Ad Campaign, or whatever project you are showcasing. Now add a picture or the thumbnail that matches your project. I'm adding the main face from the ad campaign here. Okay, don't worry, we will fix this stuck title later. Okay, now one of the most important part. Each item has a field called preview link. This is what takes your portfolio from just pretty to powerful. This is where you drop the link to your project's full case study, behind the scenes story, or the live detail page. So just paste the link of the page and that's it. The title, it's no longer just a label. One click and your visitor dives straight into the full story behind the project. Okay, one quick thing. Make sure your images are set to the full resolution. Also adjust the item height using this option here so everything can look nice and even. And that's it. Your first project is almost set up. Now you can add more items or projects by either duplicating this item using this little duplicate icon here, or by clicking the add item button right below. Now each one of these become a new project. Just repeat the process, update the title, the images, and the links. And once your list is completed and every item is linked, your full case study ready portfolio is done. Now see this preview option setting. This controls what happens when someone clicks on a project, like how you want your detail page to open up when visitors click on it. You got three modes here. Pop-up, the detail page will open in a small pop-up without leaving the current page. Then the external link, clicking will take visitor to an external link outside your site. And none means no action happens when clicked. Pick whatever fits your project flow. Personally, I like using the pop-up option. It's just more convenient for visitor. They don't have to leave the page and it also keeps them on the site longer, which of course is a plus. Now, see this. When you choose the pop-up preview option, you will see a bunch of extra settings show up right there. All for designing your pop-up the way you want. Super flexible and honestly pretty fun to play with. So first, you will get all these layout choices here. Each layout gives you pop-up a different structure. Like one might show the next and the previous buttons in the center, so you can switch between the project's detail pages easily. Another might place the navigation at the bottom right. Just pick the one that fits your content best. Then there are this pop-up animation. You've got a lot of cool effects to choose from. Just try them out and see what clicks. All right, now let's style it up furthermore. Okay, so head to the Style tab and here where the magic starts. Tweak the typography for the title, make it bold, light, decorate it fancy, or keep it minimal. I mean whatever your brand is. Then if you want, you can adjust the hover colors, you can highlight the project titles when someone hovers, and much more. Then play with the spacing also. Control how spread or tight you want to make your list fields. Okay, now this is one of my favorite parts. This is where I get full freedom, you get full freedom to style the pop-up exactly how you want. Just look at all these options and you will never feel limited. Now to customize it, just click on any project, and when the detail page opens in a pop-up, you can start designing right here inside that pop-up. Like you got this overlay color, which set the color of the transition effect that appears briefly before the detail page opens. Then the background color, this controls the actual background inside the pop-up. Use it to match your theme. Then the separator color, this set the line or the divider color between the section in your pop-up. The cool part, you get styling option for everything, like the close buttons, the next previous buttons, the titles inside the pop-up, and much more. This widget gives you tons of flexibility, and you can style everything your way and make your portfolio really stand out. I'm going with my own design vibe here, but seriously, there is so much more you can do. Try it out, it's worth it. Now let's quickly preview it. Okay, so to give it a final touch and to make my design pop a bit more, I'm going to the advanced tab of the widget, then into the border setting, and then here I'm going to add a custom border color around my design. You can totally do the same and make your design pop out just a bit more. Now hit publish and let's see it live. So let's hover over the item, so smooth and clean transition. Then click it and it takes you straight to the deep dive. This isn't just a portfolio list, it's a smart, elegant way to guide users through your work, one project at a time. So go ahead, try the XPRO add-on list portfolio widget and turn your portfolios into polished professional showcases.